Hey guys, what's up? So this video is about the Serenity Grain Filter by Miguel on Snapchat. So after the Chicago Grain Filter by him, this filter is also removed from Snapchat now. I saw some updates on his Snapchat account that this filter is rejected by Snapchat and it's not available anymore. Okay, I saw some updates on TikTok that lots of people are missing this effect. Lots of comments are there. So in his Instagram page, and this is what he posted in Instagram for his filter user.
Snapchat and you came to see my story, I wanted to apologize to you guys. Same thing here. Snapchat is taking some of my filters down. I don't know why. I didn't do anything bad. So I don't know why. I wanted to apologize to you guys also on here because a lot of you guys are coming here. Y para mi gente que habla en español, quería decirles que lo siento y no sé por qué, pero Snapchat están quitando mis filtros y yo no hice nada malo, así que lo siento, quería decirles lo siento.
I hope Snapchat will bring his filter back. By that time, you can go to his Instagram profile and you can check this effect by him in Instagram, or you can visit his Snapchat account. You can go to his lens page. He's having some awesome filter. Try them out. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.